Energy and Power, Unit 5, Physics, Class 11. Question 1. The connecting energy of a light and heavy objects. Same. Which objects has maximum momentum? Answer: heavy objects. Question 2. Bodies of mass 1 kilogram and 2 kilogram have equal moment, then the ratio of their connecting energy is. Answer: 1:3. Question 3. Body falling from a height after it has fallen a high as part 2 will process. Answer: half potential and half connecting energy. Question 4. Which of the following quantity can be calculated by multiplying force and velocity? Answer: power. Question 5. The minimum velocity given to an object so that it emerges out from the gravitational field of Earth is about. Answer: 11.2 km per second. Question 6. When 1 joule of work is done on body in 1 second, power of the body is said to be. Answer: 1 watt. Question 7. The absolutely potential energy of an object depend on. Answer: the object mass and height. Question 8. The scope velocity of a planet depends on the which of the following factors? Answer: both the mass and the radius of the planet. Question 9. How does work lead to the transfer of energy? Answer: work is the process of energy transfer when a force is applied to an object causing displacement in the direction of the force. Question 10. How is power related to work and time? Answer: power is the rate at which work is done. Question 11. What is the difference between average power and instantaneous power? Answer: average power is total work done divided by total time, while instantaneous power is the rate of work done at a specific moment. Question 12. How does gravitational potential energy change with height and mass? Answer: increase with both height and mass. Question 13. What is the law of conservation of energy? Answer: energy can neither be created nor it can only transfer, and the total energy of an isolated system remains constant. Question 14. How does energy efficiency play a role in various energy transformations? Answer: energy efficiency measures how much useful energy is obtained compared to the input energy. Question 15. How is the work done by a variable force calculated? Answer: work is calculated using the integral. Question 16. A 100 kilogram man runs up a long flight of stairs in 9.8 seconds. The variable height of the stair is 10 meters. Calculate its power. Answer: 1000. Question 17. When an object is thrown upwards, it rises to a high. How high is the object in terms of h when it has lost 1/3 of its original connecting energy? Answer: h/3. Question 18. Stone is thrown vertical upwards and can reach to a height of 10 meters. Find the speed of stone when it is just 2 meters above the. Answer: 12.9 meters per second. Question 19. A kilowatt motor pumps the water from the ground to a height of 10 meters. Find to how much liters of water it can pump in 1 hour. Answer: 3 point multiply 10 liter. Question 20. What is energy? Answer: the capacity to do work. Question 21. What are the two main types of mechanical energy? Answer: kinetic energy and potential energy. Question 22. How does potential energy depends on height? Answer: it increases what height. Question 23. What is power? Answer: energy per unit time, work per unit time, the rate at which work is done. Question 24. What is average power? Answer: total work done divided by total time. Question 25. What is the work energy term? Answer. Net work done on an object equal the change in its connecting energy. Question 26. What is gravitational potential energy? Answer. Energy due to height above a reference point. Question 27. What is the SI unit of energy? Answer. Joule. Question 28. Which law explains energy? Answer. The law of conservation of energy. Question 29. What does the law of conservation of energy state? Answer. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Question 30. What happens to connecting energy if velocity doubles? Answer. It increases by 4 times.